In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how to fix Tesla cruise control not working. So let's get started. So the first thing you could do is make sure that you have proper activation. So one of the most common reasons people experience issues with Tesla's cruise control is improper activation. First, ensure that you're driving at a stable speed, generally above 18 miles per hour. The cruise control system won't engage below that threshold. Once you're at the appropriate speed, activate the cruise control using the stock or the touchscreen controls. Depending on your vehicle's configuration, if the system doesn't engage, check whether the display shows any errors or warnings that might indicate a malfunction. Next, Tesla's cruise control, especially with autopilot or full self-driving features, relies on a network of cameras, radar, and sensors to monitor your surroundings and maintain a safe following distance. Over time, these sensors can get blocked by dirt, ice, or debris, which can cause the system to malfunction. Check the front of your vehicle, particularly around the windshield and bumpers, for any obstructions or dirt. Cleaning the sensors and cameras can sometimes resolve the issue. Make sure you also clear the review cameras, as these could be involved in lane keeping or adaptive cruise control functionality. Third thing we could do is that Tesla is known for releasing regular software updates, which often improve the vehicle's performance, including cruise control and other driving features. It's essential to check if there's a pending software update. If you haven't updated your Tesla recently, go to Settings menu to see if any update is available. Sometimes cruise control features might not work properly due to outdated software or bugs, so updating your system might resolve the issue. The next step or the fix that we have is that cruise control system in Teslas generally work best when you're driving at speeds above a certain threshold, typically 18 miles per hour or higher. If you're trying to activate cruise control at lower speeds, it may not engage at all. In addition, some Teslas come with different driving modes such as chill or sport mode. While these modes typically affect acceleration and responsiveness, switching between them can sometimes affect the way your car interacts with the cruise control system. So make sure you're driving in the mode that's most compatible with your preference and the cruise control system. The next fix I have is certain environment factors such as poor road markings, inclement weather, or construction zones can interfere with cruise control, especially if you have Tesla's more advanced autopilot features. Cruise control systems rely on clear road markings and proper lane visibility to function optimally. If you're driving in heavy rain, snow, or fog, or on poorly marked roads, it may cause the system to temporarily disengage or fail to engage. The system's sensors may struggle to detect lane boundaries or surrounding vehicles, which can lead to cruise controls not working. So that'll be it for the fixes today. I hope this video helps you guys out, and that'll be it for today, and I will see you guys next time. Peace out.